Yes, indeed. We have a whole first level framed between last Thursday and now. It's crazy to see this. This is crazy to see this, but before I filmed this, which would have been a great moment to capture for vlogging, I guess, it just kind of, I got really emotional as it relates to seeing this. It overwhelmed me, just knowing that we are in this process and building our dream home. And I'm not gonna keep going on and on because it'll make me emotional again, but just know that I am just oh so grateful and just appreciative to God that he would, you know, give us this opportunity again. So I'm gonna walk through. I'm walking up our future driveway, and as you can see, this is our 1-car garage. It's the 4-car garage there. But I'm walking in our courtyard because I'm gonna go through the front door. But all of this is our nice big size courtyard. We have a nice courtyard. You know, that over there is the entrance to the casita. And this is the 1-car garage for the casita. But this is a huge courtyard that we have that will be beautifully landscaped by our landscaping company. We have a nice porch over here. But this is a nice little hangout spot in our house where we can kind of just hang out. So I'm excited about that. And let's see. We're gonna go through the front door. I'm gonna watch our head and be very careful here. Look, guys. Look at that. We even have roof. That's the crazy part about it. Our first story is just like completely like framed in already. So I'm in the entryway right here, just at the front door. This is the entryway, and I'm gonna watch my step, guys, because there's a lot of stuff on the floor from them framing and all that good stuff. So that is the front door, and this is the entryway. All right. And over here is our formal seating area. This will be where we'll most likely have our piano and some chairs. This is the kitchen area. That's our kitchen. It's our big, gigantic island. I mean, that looks small right now because they don't have the rough top on it. But you know, once it's fully framed out, you'll see just how big our island is. That's our dining room over there. This is where we will have wonderful dinners and throw dinner parties, and because we love to entertain, and this is an entertainment house. So this is our dining room. We have a nice big slider off the dining room as well. They've already framed out for our fireplace over there. And that's our refrigerator area. That is our wine cellar. This is where all our built-in refrigerator area is gonna be. Of course, that's the drop zone over there. We'll have cabinets over there. And the pantry is right back there as well too. And I'll walk over there too, just so you can get a better view of that. So yeah, where this little piece of joist is laying, that's our pantry. So we have a nice size walk-in pantry or whatnot. We have 2 windows in the kitchen. It's one window and there's another window over there. But all this is our kitchen. It's pretty dope to see this. I was not expecting to see all of this once we came back. Like I said, we were just here on Thursday, and to come here today and just see all of this done, it's mind-blowing. It is mind-blowing, absolutely mind-blowing. This is our family room. We have a big slider door that's gonna be right here. That's why that's cut out like that. So it's a big slider door. That's our covered patio underneath there. And we have a fireplace out there as well. So we have one fireplace there and another fireplace here. So we're gonna be really good. Like I said, we're gonna entertain, and we love to entertain, so that's always a good thing. Those are the niches next to the fireplace in between, but that's another niche over there. So that's really dope. Okay, so straight ahead will be, that's our stairs. And this little area here is our hallway that leads down there to our office. Our office has another slider door in there as well, and I'll go on the other side to enter into the office from that way. We have a powder room over here, and of course there's a storage closet underneath here that will be under the stairs that we can store stuff under. In here, this is our casita entrance, and this is the casita living room. So I'm going to try to capture this space in here, but it's really a nice space. I mean, it technically is like it's like an apartment. It's a nice sized apartment, to tell the truth, because it has a full kitchen, has a seating area, you know, living room area, and then it has a washer and dryer, a laundry room. It's one bedroom, a full bathroom, walk-in closet, all of that. See, over here will be the whole full kitchenette. It'll have cabinets and a cooktop and all of that good stuff, a sink. And so yeah, it's attached to the house. It's our attached casita. This is the bedroom. I can't walk over there because I'm being blocked by this post, and I don't want to disturb it, but so that's the bedroom portion of our casita. It has two windows back there. This is the walk-in closet for the casita, and that's the bathroom over there, as you can see where the piping is. And that's the one-car garage through there. And this is this entry for this right out the courtyard, as you can see. So, yeah, so that's that. And so it's a nice, like I said, the casita is nice. This is definitely, I guess, quarters. Or potential income, you know, if we wanted to just kind of maybe, I don't know, maybe lease it out or something of that nature, we could. That's pretty much the first floor. As you can see, it's large. And I'm gonna see if I can pan the room so you can just get a gist of how large it is. It's really large. So it's gonna be really nice, guys. I'm excited. I really am excited. I've come up with some really great designs. This house is gonna be very light, bright, and airy. Very modern farm home. I'm gonna walk through here so you can see how big our garage is. I'm going through the drop zone to just kind of go inside the garage. Let's see. All of this is the garage. It's huge. It's deep. It's 4-car garage. That's what we have. As you can see, so nice size. Back in the house. And I'm gonna go out in the backyard. Like I said earlier in the video, I was gonna come around here because this is our office area over here. So this is like a little area outside the office. But inside there, that's our office. That's where millions of dollars are gonna be made. And here's our backyard. And there you have it. We didn't know that the house was framed like this already, so we didn't bring any markers. So we're gonna run to Home Depot and grab some markers, and we're gonna come back and start loading our our house up with scriptures. That's the tour, guys, of the first level framed out. Appreciate you guys for watching and following along through this process. It's an absolute journey, and I'm excited to share all of this with you guys. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys a little later on. Hey guys, so we're at the beach, somewhat an island, I guess you would say. Those are my boys out there having a great time. It is literally like 96 degrees. The sun is like super beaming, like it's super hot. However, it feels good. You know, a little dose of summer early. Hey boys. And we thought we would do a beach day today. So you guys are gonna hang out with us at the beach. We are still in California, although this does not look like California, but it is California. And we don't live too far from this location here. But this is the beauty of California. This is why we live in California. I mean, you literally feel like you're on some type of island somewhere over in the Caribbean. Although I wish the water would feel Caribbean, but it doesn't. The water is freezing. I mean, it literally is, it's cold. It's like so cold. Hey boys, how's the water? It's cold?
Yeah,
oh my God.
It's so salty too.
Oh, you must have got some in your mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to close your mouth in the ocean. You don't want to drink salt water.
I know. I think there's a way to desalt it.
Oh! Leo. Bruh. Only my Leo would say something like that. Desalt the ocean. Okay.
Oh, you're sure?
Yeah, Leo, we're going to desalt the ocean.
Bruh.
But yeah, the water is like cold. And it feels like ice to you. I don't know about ice, but it's cold. But we're going to have a beach day. We're going to have fun. And woo! Woo. You know what? Anywho, guys, we'll be back. Hey, Rich. The water is so cold, but I'm gonna, huh? It's ice?
Yeah, it feels like ice.
Wow.
It's like an ice.
It does. It's cold. Hey boys. So we're in Laguna, going to get what? Gelato.
Everyone's gonna laugh at that.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Time for gelato.
Alright, guys.
Sorry about that. To the right. Totally awesome cool, right? Totally awesome cool. What are you gonna get, Leo?
What am I gonna get?
What are you gonna get?
I'm thinking, just give me like another 10 years.
10 years. Okay.
I'm just kidding.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Sure, I'm great, thank you. I'm going to see these folks and I'll be back.
Perfect, thank you so much. Yo, what's up, guys? So I decided to jump in here on the vlog. As you can see, we are still at the resort. It is the next day. We decided to go down and have some lunch and enjoy the view and the atmosphere. The food is incredible. The boys ran into some of their friends, so they decided to have another beach day. So they're at the beach, and so we're here getting ready to have this wonderful lunch, enjoy this view, and yeah, just continue to have a great time. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying this vlog. I appreciate you guys for watching, for tuning in, just for showing your support. Got a chance to check on the house, the update on the house. The house is coming along greatly. But at this point in time, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I just wanted to just jump in and just let you guys know how much I appreciate you. So I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This view is amazing.